Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you AllTrails how to delete activity. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your AllTrails app, and once you're inside, what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account. Now once you're logged into your account here, in order to delete your activity, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it here, you'll be sent to your profile page. Now under the options like feed, photos, reviews and activities, right now all you gotta do is simply tap on activities. Once you scroll down here, all the activities that you have done will be listed right here. Now all you gotta do is select the activity that you want to delete. Let me just select this one, and once you do that, here you'll be sent to that details of that hike. Simply tap on this three dot icon right here, and on tapping it, among the options you'll find the option that says delete right here. Simply tap on that, and once you do that, here you'll be asked to confirm your delete activity. Simply tap on delete to confirm, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.